students. Morning. How are you this morning? Thank you very much to the Master of Ceremony who has given me an opportunity to deliver self-introduction. My name is Haznira. I'm 14 years old. I live in Enrekam. My religion is Islam. I go to school at elementary school number MTSDD Enrekam. I am 9 standard. I have one brother. I have one sister. My mother's name is Risa. My father's name is Lahali. My hobby is reading. My favorite food is meatball. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
11 points have been